Hey guys, it's Nina, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got this little pompadour.
Girl, you know you should have shaved them underarms.
French roll braid type of thingy. I decided to just mix it up, try something funky. And if y'all have been following me, y'all know I really do not wear my hair like this at all. So this is definitely something different. So I'm gonna show you how I got this style. It's very easy. It's a lot less complicated than it seems. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. And yeah, let's get started. So to get this look, make sure you have some hairpins. So I have my hair down. Starting in the back, I'm gonna split my hair down the middle, so 2 sections, and then I'm gonna crisscross one twist over the other twist, one side over the other side. If your hair is loose, you'll just take a section of locks on each side and just crisscross them over each other. So as you'll see, my crisscross pattern is not really symmetrical, but I just think it makes it more abstract and interesting. If you want yours to be symmetrical, just make sure that you part it like perfectly down the middle. So that one twist that's hanging out in the back is not intentional, but of course I don't have eyes in the back of my head, so I could not see that, but eventually I will incorporate it into the style. So you're just gonna keep crisscrossing the locks until you get to your hairline. So once you reach the front of your head, it might get a little tricky depending on how long your locks are. Mine were different lengths at the front, so I just had to try to crisscross them as much as I could. But that's where the hairpins come in. So if yours are like mine and you kind of feel like you're doing a lot of work, it's really okay, because you'll be able to tuck any pieces that are sticking out. So yeah, with the length that I'm at, it just gets more and more random as I reach the end. So all those locks that are sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck them under, kind of push them into the little braid. So then I take the little braid and then I wrap it around to about the middle of my head or so, almost the middle. And then I'm just gonna take a hairpin and pin it down. Depending on how much hair you have, you might need more than 1 pin. For me, 2 pins were enough to keep everything secure. And then you're all pinned down. So I'm just using my handheld mirror to check and see if there are any spots that I missed, anything that looks really awkward. Then you can touch up your edges as much or as little as you want. And here it is. And if you want to sleep in this look, you can, but I don't because it only takes like 5 minutes to do in the morning. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Now of course, yours is probably going to look different based on whether your hair is in twists or not and on how neatly you do the crisscross method. I normally don't do mine that precise, and that's what the hairpins are for. So if you have some hairs, some pieces that are like sticking up or kind of funky, just pin them down and that'll take care of that. And so I actually wore my hair like this to work today and I got a lot of compliments, and somebody actually said, "Very elaborate hairstyle." And I just decided to take that as a compliment. And the thing is, it looks a lot more elaborate than it actually is. I definitely think it's because my hair is in twists. But yeah, this is the look. I think it's great for events. It's great for just having something different. And it really does feel light on my head too. It's nice not to have my locks around my neck. It's just more comfortable. I feel like you can do this maybe around year 2 or so. It depends on where you start. Because the thing is that I always say, you really just want to make sure that you're not putting too much tension on your head. So if it takes you in a leave to achieve this hairstyle, maybe it's not the right one for you. Not yet, anyway. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you decide to try this style, and I will see you next time.